Hey Diva Dolls, this is crystalchanel and I am back with another swimsuit try on haul video. Now today I partnered with Pretty Little Thing and I have the most affordable, most adorable, most comfortable and sexy try on haul video you ever will want to see. If you want to see what it is that I picked up, stay tuned.
Okay y'all, so this haul is brought to you by Pretty Little Thing. I am so excited to share these bathing suits. First up is this one-piece bathing suit. It is so adorable. Now you're supposed to show your breast. That's why it says under bust cutout swimsuit, but I wanted to just pull it down a little bit further. It's super sexy. I do like it because it's flattering to where it covers your belly and some of your back rolls. However, if you do poke out the sides like I do, you'll notice that it's kind of tight, like it cuts in on the sides, but still I think it's flattering. I would wear this just the way it is. I love the color. I think it's really different and I recommend it. Now with all the swimsuits, I will be putting the sizes in the description box down below, as well as a coupon code. That way you dolls can shop and save. Now I love this bathing suit because it comes in a 2-pack, y'all. So a lot of these bathing suits I wanted to get that were one-piece bathing suits but also sexy. Now you get a red and a leopard type of bathing suit in this pack. They are quite high in the back, so you will be showing some cheeks, but I do love how comfortable they are. They're so lightweight and you can even just rock them as a shirt with some shorts. Now recently I did wear this bathing suit to the pool and that's what made me realize how high cut they can be. So these are not a thong bikini, but it almost feels like it's a thong because of how high cut it is in the back. But get into this leopard action. I love it so much. Even with the black one, it looks so elegant. It looks so chic. I love how you can choose the top because it is a halter top, so you can definitely choose how tight you want to tie it so it's more full coverage, or you can have more of your girls out. As you can see, I am killing it, y'all. Now again, with the one piece, I definitely adore this bathing suit. I think it is so cute with this Versace type print. This print is really cute and trendy. I love how comfortable this bathing suit is. This is one of the bathing suits that I'm probably going to wear the most because it felt really good on. Now here we go again with the one piece. This bathing suit, I didn't realize how low and how deep it is cut. So serves tons of sex appeal. You got to be careful with the girls though. I had to keep situating myself so that they were even and so that they sat and they did not fall out. Also, the back didn't fit that well because of my booty, so there was a big gap. But again, I love leopard print. It's just something about it. It's so sexy and it's perfect for the summer. Now, when I saw this print, I had to pick it up. These lace shorts are so cute and so chic. We always need a cover up on the beach or when we're walking around the boardwalk, and these are really delicate and really cute. It even has pants that are just like it, and even though these bottoms zip in the back, they have a stretch to it, so unlike those other pants and shorts, it actually fits. This even comes with a really cute, sexy duster. Now, unfortunately, I didn't have a chance to grab the duster, so be sure to check out the website. There is a long duster just like this material that you can also buy as a cover-up to complete the set. Now here I am serving. This is a one-piece halter top bathing suit which had a belt that came with it. Again, very Versace-esque, really comfortable. I think it looks awesome with the necklace. Be sure to check out the accessories, y'all. They have some really cute accessories where it comes multi-layered, and that's kind of like the look right now. So because of a lot of these bathing suits having a deep neckline, you can actually wear the necklace with it and look really good.
Okay, dolls, so that is my video. I hope you dolls enjoyed. I always like bringing you hauls that are affordable, so be sure to check down below in the box for a coupon code. I'll put all my size details as well as the links to everything from the site so you can check it out. If you shop Pretty Little Thing, be sure to leave a comment down below. Let us know how it is for you. Also, if you don't follow me on Snapchat and on Instagram, be sure that you do, and my name is @ChrissieTheDoll. Now, y'all, if you've been subscribed to this channel, I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. If you have any friends who may like this video or my channel, please go ahead and share this video. Of course, be sure to subscribe to my other videos too. I have a fitness channel and also a vlog channel. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you like these kind of videos, and also if you have any questions about sizing or anything I didn't mention, please leave it down below. So that's it, dolls. Again, this is my birthday month. This is my turn up month. I love the summer, so of course it only makes sense that I bring you all the try on hauls for swimwear and summer wear, because honey, that's when your girl comes alive, okay? So again, y'all, I want to say thank you so much for tuning in, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.